moment of speech.
Ebi bigambire country director w'ekitongole kya Avis aha mukoro gubira ha Mystic Hotel omuri Kampala. Ogu najangwa mu district ya Kamwenje yonka omu byanga Kankoma, Bwizi, Biguri, Bahanga abantu 9 harigana tibakira ombworo bwanyuma yo kuhebwa entandikwa.
As an organization, we always focus on the people. We say our work centers on the people. We always say that we work alongside with them. We create partnerships that support them, and these partnerships are able to ensure that there is an ecosystem around an individual and the family that allows them to thrive.
Okurujiraha Rita La Rock, Chief of Party omu kitongole kya Avis, abantu 20 abaremerwa kuruga omu bworo baremesiibwe enshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe konka ehururu y'okurwanisa obworo n'ekigumizamu.
Because the point is, as you saw from many of the results here, 80% of them graduate. So you have only 20% who probably need additional support. So rather than do more with the same people, I would try to enroll a new group of people in the same place, especially where you can leverage that kind of result, and then target more people to get them out of poverty.
Obworo n'oburabe burwanisiibwe omuri Kamwenge hona hakiri ebizibu ebyo butabanko bw'omumaka n'ebindi.
Was that coaching prepares a family to understand that they are going to experience a number of things together to experience this and get out of poverty. We are working with the woman, we are working with the spouse, we are working with the children, with the youth. We want to make sure they understand that this activity that they're enrolling in is for a family. It's not for the woman to become empowered and then become a nuisance.
Omujwekero wa America omu Uganda, William W. Pop asimire ekigombe kya Avis ahabo kwegesa abantu okwebisaho n'okubegesa emyoga etari emwe n'emwe.
Again, once more, thank AVSI for creating this space, creating this forum so that others can come and learn and see firsthand these results and take those experiences away to inform, to perfect, and to really maximize the impact of.
Omyaka 5 ey'ekitongole kya Avis kimazire omuri Kamwenge, abantu 74 harigana batungire ebyokurya birukumara eka nebika miliyoni 1 kandi amaka 98 harigana bejumbira omu kuhinga n'okuriisa k'omurembe hamwe n'ezindi ntunguka. Gashakwa Jimmy Muhumza omuri Kampala.